ladies and gentlemen, how are you guys doing? Happy 2022. This is officially our first video for the year, and we are coming to you right on location. We are here to meet our client and help her declutter her closet. So I want you guys to come and see what we're gonna do and hopefully meet her. Yes, get to see her closet and just get to see what she's wearing, what she has here. She'll walk us through what is here. Yes, so what do we have here?
So we have jackets, denim, blazers, and kimonos. And then we have sweaters that I don't know. Mostly I don't wear actually. Then I have belts, lots of belts that I also sometimes don't wear. I have sneakers. I have more sneakers and rubbers. I have sandals. I have my favorites. These are my heels. These are the things I would say for sure are like great buys. My boots, more boots, and yeah, and accessories and my shoelaces. So
basically, this is your first closet, and this is before we do anything with the closet. So hopefully we'll see there. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the closet. We have organized, as you can see. Everything has been wiped, cleaned, and arranged nicely. From the top, we've arranged boots. Then we have heels and some more heels rather. Then we have sneakers down here. Also some sneakers down below. Then on the far end we have just jackets. She will not wear mostly during this season, but she will wear them during rainy or cold season. So those are jackets. Then there are belts here. We have warm sweaters and hoodies here as well. Then finally we have some sandals, some slip-ons, and just some house shoes that she wear and her guests can wear.